So starting question, let's understand some basic concept related to boats and stream. So boat and stream. First of all, we will see two related terms related to boats and stream. They are downstream and one term is upstream. Now what is this downstream and what is this upstream? We know in water the direction along the stream is downstream. Suppose we have this stream and this is our boat. Okay, so it will have its own speed, and whenever the direction of this boat is along the stream, then that speed is known as speed downstream. And when this speed is against the stream, then that speed is known as upstream. Okay, so direction along the stream, downstream. Direction against the stream is upstream, along the stream is downstream. Okay, now suppose we denote this downstream by a kilometers per hour, because we are saying this is the speed, and this upstream by b kilometer per hour. Then what is the speed of boat? Speed of boat, let's say we denote it by u. ओके, सो स्पीड ऑफ बोट, अभी अभी हमने देखा जो डाउन स्ट्रीम है वो अलोंग द स्ट्रीम है. सो दिस स्पीड ऑफ बोट, speed boat itself has its speed. Let's say we denote it u kilometer per hour, and this stream is also having its speed. Speed of stream, let's say we denote it by v kilometer per hour. Then this downstream speed will be the speed of downstream will be the speed of boat plus speed of stream, because it is along the stream. So this downstream will be speed of boat plus speed of stream, is always speed downstream. Now this upstream, upstream is against the stream, means बोट इस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो हो रही है और रिवर्स उसके अगेंस्ट में, तो देयर इज ऑलवेज सब्ट्रैक्शन. So speed of upstream will be u minus v. This is our speed downstream and this is our speed upstream. Now, how will we calculate speed of boat? Speed of boat will be we have the value of upstream as u plus v and downstream as u minus v. Speed of boat is u. Add these two equations, we will get a plus b equal to twice of u. That means speed of boat will be half of a plus b. Means downstream plus upstream divided by 2 is the speed of boat. Similarly, speed of stream will be, to get the value of v, we will subtract these two equations. So a minus b divided by 2. So this is the speed of stream. So this is the basic concept of upstream, boats and stream. Now we will solve some question related to boats and stream. Question number 1 is, a man can row upstream. A man can row upstream at 7 km per hour and downstream at 10 km per hour. Find man's rate in still water. Find man's rate in still water and rate of current. And the options are so we will solve this question. A man can row upstream at 7 km per hour and downstream at 10 km per hour. Man's rate in still water and rate of current. So just now we have calculated how we will find still water and rate of current. So let's solve this. What we have given? Upstream 7 km per hour. That means speed upstream is given as 7 km per hour and downstream speed downstream is given as 10 km per hour. We need to find speed of man's rate in still water and rate of current. Okay, these are nothing but like रिवर वाटर में मैन खड़ा है उसकी स्पीड क्या होगी और उस वाटर की स्पीड क्या होगी। तो हमें पता है इन स्टिल वाटर स्पीड विल बी मैन्स रेट इन स्टिल water will be speed upstream plus speed downstream divided by 2. Speed upstream plus speed downstream divided by 2. Upstream 7 plus downstream 10 divided by 2. 17 by 2. हाफ ऑफ 17 का हाफ होता है 8.5 and since this is speed, rate means speed, so unit will be kilometer per hour, 8.5 kilometer per hour. Now next is rate of current. Rate of current will be speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2. Speed downstream minus speed upstream by 2. Downstream 10 minus 7 by 2. 10 minus 7, 3. 3 by 2. Half of 3 is 1.5 kilometer per hour. So these are the solution. Now next question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2. A man takes 3 hour 45 minutes 3 hour 45 minutes to row a boat 15 kilometer downstream of a river and 2 hour 30 minutes 2 hour 30 minutes to cover a distance of 5 kilometer upstream. Find the speed of the river. Find the speed of the river current in kilometer per hour. So this time they have given downstream and upstream in distance and time separately. So first we will find the speed downstream, then speed upstream, and then we will calculate the speed of current. Speed of current will be downstream minus upstream by 2. So we want downstream and upstream. Okay, so we have the time 3 hour 45 minutes. 3 hour 45 minutes is same as 345 by 60, that means 3 by 4 of an hour. In hour we can say 3 hour 45 minutes is equivalent to 3 by 4 of an hour, and the distance is given as 15 kilometer downstream. So we can calculate speed downstream. We know the basic formula of speed. Speed is always equal to distance upon time. So we have distance as 15 kilometer and time is 3 by 4 of an hour. So we will get, after simplifying, 15 divided by 4 3 are 12, 12 plus 3, 15 by 4 kilometer, and this is hour. So 4 kilometer per hour will be the required speed downstream. Now 2 hour 30 minutes to cover a distance of 5 kilometer upstream. From this we will calculate speed upstream. Speed upstream. Speed is always distance upon time. Distance travel किया है 5 किलोमीटर and the time is 2 hour 30 minutes. 2 hour 30 minutes is same as 2 and half of an hour. Okay, 2 and half hour equal to, this is same as 5 kilometer divided by 5 by 2 of an hour. So speed upstream will be 2 kilometer per hour. This is speed downstream, this is upstream. We want the speed of river current. Okay, so speed of river current will be, speed of river current will be speed downstream, speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2. Speed downstream is 4 minus 2 by 2. 4 minus 2, 2 by 2. So answer will be 1 kilometer per hour. This is the required speed of river current. Now next, question number 3. Question number 3 is, question number 3 will be, a man can row, a man can row 18 kilometer per hour in still water. It takes him thrice. It takes him thrice as long to row up as to row down the river. Find the rate of stream. Find the rate of stream. Speed of stream in still water is given. Speed of man in still water is given as 18 km/h, and we need to find rate of stream, and the relationship between upstream and downstream is given. So let's solve. As the relationship between upstream and downstream is given, so let's assume upstream, let upstream equal to x km/h and speed downstream thrice as long as downstream. So if upstream is x, downstream will be 3x km/h. Okay. Now speed of man in still water. Speed of man in still water. Speed of man in still water is given as 18, and we know how to find speed of still water. Speed of still water will be the addition of upstream plus speed downstream divided by 2. Upstream is x, downstream 3x by 2. This is 4x by 2. So 2x will be the speed of man in still water, but it is given as 18. So 2x will be equal to 18. This implies x equal to 9. Now we have the value of x. X is nothing but upstream. So upstream is 9 km/h and downstream will be 9 3s are 27 km/h. So rate of stream will be speed downstream minus speed upstream divided by 2. Downstream is 27 minus 9 by 2. 27 minus 9 is 18. 18 by 2. That means 9 km/h is the rate of stream. Now next question number 4. Question number 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is a man can row upstream at 8 kilometer per hour and downstream at 13 kilometer per hour. The speed of stream is and the options are A 2.5 kilometer per hour, B 4.2 kilometer per hour, C 5 kilometer per hour, or D 10.5 kilometer per hour. So let's solve this. We have upstream 8, downstream 13, and we want the speed of stream. Speed of stream is always equal to half of difference of downstream and upstream. Speed downstream minus speed upstream. Put the value, get the answer. Half. Speed downstream is given as 13 and upstream as 8. 13 minus 8 is 5. Half of 5. Half of 5? 5 का आधा 2.5 kilometer per hour. 2.5 kilometer per hour. Option A is the correct answer. Now, next question number 5. Question number 5. Question number 5 is in 1 hour, a boat goes 11 kilometer along the stream and 5 kilometer against the stream. The speed of boat in still water. The speed of boat in still water in kilometer per hour is, and the options are A 3, B 5, C 8 or D 9. So, in 1 hour, a boat goes 11 kilometer along the stream. Along the stream means we are talking about along the stream. We are talking about downstream, because downstream is always along the stream. So, from this we get speed downstream as speed is always distance upon time. Distance 11 kilometer travel किया है in 1 hour. So 11 by 1, that means 11 kilometer per hour speed downstream, and 5 kilometer against the stream. Against the stream, that means we are talking about upstream. So speed upstream will be, again, distance upon time. Distance is 5 kilometer and same in 1 hour. So 5 by 1 hour, that means 5 kilometer per hour. We want speed of boat in still water. Speed of boat in still water will be equal to speed downstream plus speed upstream divided by 2. So downstream is 11 plus upstream is 5 by 2. 16 by 2, that is 8 kilometer per hour. 8 kilometer per hour. Option C is the correct answer. So these are few questions related to boat stream. In next class we will solve some more question related to same. For now, bye everyone.